The only one who could ever need me was the son of a pizza man. The only boy.
Hey guys, Enzo here, son of a pizza man. How are you? So today we are talking about a pizza place that is located not in Chicago, which is very exciting. Me and Dave went to San Francisco for a little vacation earlier, and we decided that of course we were gonna have pizza. So we got some recommendations on where to go, and we decided to choose a place in the Little Italy district in San Francisco, and that place is Tony's Pizza Napoletana. And Tony's Pizza Napoletana is owned by Tony, and I know I'm going to butcher this name, but I'm going to try, Geminani. I wrote it down. Gemianani. Tony Geminani. Try saying that 5 times. Tony Gemianani. Tony Gemianani. Okay. Tony Gemianani owns the pizza place. He is a very well-known and respected gentleman in the pizza industry. He owns a ton of restaurants. He's won countless championships, titles, all that stuff. He wrote the Pizza Bible, so he knows his stuff. And so I thought it was kind of exciting to eat from this guy's restaurant, see what all the fuss was about. So Tony's Pizza Napola, blah blah blah. So many tongue twisters. Tony's, we'll just call it Tony's. They're known for their margarita pizza. So I thought, okay, we should probably have it because it's a good like baseline pizza. And we ordered it, and it was delicious. The sauce was tasty. The cheese was good. The crust was a little on the soggier side. Not a bad thing. I don't know if that's just how they make it, but it was a little flimsy. I wish it was a little more like to it. But other than that, I thought it was a great pizza. Very solid. If you're scared of all the other pizzas, they offer a ton of different pizzas. They offer different styles. Wow, my brain. They offer, I wish I had the menu with me, but I don't. Anyway, they have a ton of different styles of pizza. You can order whatever you want. It's really awesome. So we enjoyed ourselves. I think you should check out Tony's if you're in San Francisco. I'm gonna give it 4.5 out of 5 messy napkins, just because of the crust thing. I don't know. That's just me. But so check out Tony's Pizza Napoletana in San Francisco in the Little Italy district if you're in San Francisco. And the address is 1570 Stockton Street if you're curious. So if you want to check me out online, I am on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Periscope, anything else. You can email me at sonofapizzaman77@gmail.com. Yeah, and if you have a recommendation of places you want me to check out here in Chicago, just hit me up. I will respond. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe below. That would be awesome. I love you guys. And until next time, ciao for now.
The only boy who could ever feed me was the son of a pizza man.